All these teams are very accurate teams and all these teams are heavily filtered.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between SRH versus CSK. So for generating the Grand League winning teams, we are going to use lot of strategies. So we are going to use our software called Team Generator software to take help to generate the Grand League winning teams. So first of all, let's analyze the probable playing 11 for the today's match between SRH versus CSK. From the SRH side, Jason Roy, Wriddhiman Saha, Kane Williamson, Priyam Garg, Abhishek Sharma, Abdul Samad, Jason Holder, Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Sandeep Sharma and Siddharth Kaul will be the probable playing 11. Some of the players might change after the toss, you can decide. And from the CSK side, Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Ambati Rayudu, Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja. Dwayne Bravo is not played in the last match, but he is going to play today maximum in the place of Sam Curran, or if he is not fit, Sam Curran also might play. So you can decide after the toss. So after that, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Josh Hazelwood will be the probable playing 11 from the CSK side. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a bowling pitch. Mostly it is a bowling friendly as per the data concerned, and it is a, I'm not sure about the cricket stadium, but it is a bowling friendly stadium. And the average score is 135. I forgot to edit the stadium name, just forgot this. The first of all, it is a bowling pitch and the average score is 135 runs, and both the teams are of equal strength, but CSK is very strong than SRH, so we can expect CSK will be the winning side. So by using all these things, let's analyze and let's create teams in our software. So let's use our Team Generator software. So let's jump into our software. We are going to use advanced generation section in this software. For this match, I'm going to explain everything. I'm going to show you the proper way of creating the teams. So let's jump into our software.
So this is the interface of the software, and this software works perfectly fine on both mobile as well as in laptop. And those who don't know about this software, I have provided the contact details in the description box below. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that generate teams. So I have already changed the credits and the player role. So if the player credits and the player role is not matching, so please go ahead and go to the edit player section and edit the player data conveniently. So after that, we need to click on whatever the fantasy application you are choosing. First of all, Dream 11 is what we are going to do. So after that, continue, and we need to choose the series. So new series will be added today, and also let's click on Dream 11 here, and after that continue. And we have lot of options available here: Smart Generation section, Quick Small League section, Quick Grand League section, and Advanced Generation section is also there. Those, if you don't have any knowledge on cricket, just go for the Smart Generation section or any small league section or Grand League section. Or if you have some good knowledge, or if you are watching this video, I am going to do advanced generation section, because we are going to use some of our strategies, some of our predictions also, so to help the software to generate even more better teams. So let's click on generate team, advanced generation section. So you have to choose the teams. So the match is in between CSK versus SRH. So after that, continue, and we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, so it is just for storing your teams. So whatever the teams you create in our software, those teams will be stored. That is why we need the match number. You can give any match number, it is just like a password. So I'm going to give 155 as the match number. You can give any number actually. So after that, continue, and so we need to choose at least 6 players from each team. So I'm going to select all the 22 players from both the teams, or I will drop some players. So first of all, I want to drop MS Dhoni here. So these are the predictions of mine. I want to drop MS Dhoni and Faf du Plessis. I am selecting Suresh Raina, Gaikwad, Rayudu, and Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja. Sam Curran might play or might not play. After the toss, you can decide. So after that, Shardul Thakur, D. Chahar, and Josh Hazelwood, and Dwayne Bravo. So after that I have selected 10 players from CSK. I have dropped MS Dhoni, and if that is your choice. If you want to keep him in your teams, you can also select MS Dhoni. These are my predictions. So after that, SRH side, Ridhman Saha, Kane Williamson, and Jason Roy. Priyam Garg I want to remove, and also Abdul Samad also I want to remove, and Jason Holder and Abhishek Sharma is also I want to remove. Rashid Khan and Bhuvaneswar Kumar, and Siddharth Kaul. If he is in the playing 11, definitely select him. And also another one, Sandeep Sharma. I have selected 8 players from SRH side and 10 players from CSK side. So after that, continue. And we need to select the fixed players. If you want to fix any player, you can select. So if for example, if you want to fix Rashid Khan, so if you want to select Rashid Khan, you can select Rashid Khan as the fixed player, because he will definitely perform every match. And also if you want to fix Ravindra Jadeja, you can also fix him since he is performing well these days. So I have fixed Ravindra Jadeja and Rashid Khan. And after that, continue. And we need to select the captain players. Here I want to select Kane Williamson, Jason Roy, and Jason Holder. Rashid Khan will be the captain players from SRH side, and from the CSK side, Ruturaj Gaikwad and Moeen Ali and Ravindra Jadeja. These are the 8 players I have selected for the captain. And after that, continue. And select the players you want to consider for vice captain. So vice captain also I want to select some of the players here. So I want to select more players in vice captain. So let's select some of the vice captain players as well. So after that, continue. So we need to enter the team partition strategy. So team partition strategy, here we are expecting CSK will be the winning side. So we are going to favor CSK here. So I want to select more players from, I want the teams in which CSK players are more. So CSK number is team 1. So team 1 will be teams 7 players from CSK and 4 players from SRH, as well as 6 players from CSK and 5 players from SRH. And after that, continue. And we need to enter the credit range. So the credit range is 98 to 100. Give this as the credit range. And after that, continue. And we need to select the strategies here. Here we need to select strategies. So select all the 1 wicket keeper strategies. So, and after that, continue. And we need to generate 20 number of teams. You can generate any number of teams. Here I want to generate 20 teams, and after that, generate teams here. So you can see all these teams are generated and stored at match number 155. So all these teams are very accurate teams, and all these teams are heavily filtered, and you will definitely make lot of profit if you follow these conditions and if you follow these tips. I hope you guys like this video. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. If you have any problem, you can always contact me. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.